Hello guys, I'm the Cubaholic and in this video I'll be reviewing the Cublelo loops which I got for testing. In this video I'll be reviewing the Cublelo Nucleus, Cublelo Velocity and the Cublelo Classic loop. I got these loops in my mail yesterday and these are pretty good loops. I've been testing their prototypes too and I can tell you that these loops are pretty amazing. Firstly, I'll talk about the Cublelo Classic loop. This loop can be bought from the Cublelo Cube store and is available in two variants, the 5cc and 10cc syringes. I'll be testing out this loop on a QIYI bullfight. So I'll loop the pieces using this loop. So these are the first turns after looping the cube. I'm breaking in the loop right now. So let's see how it turns after a few moves, a random solve maybe. Okay, so what I can say is that putting a little bit of this made the cube a bit faster. Like not pretty much, like it's the perfect feel for a cube. I don't know how the feel would be after breaking in on this cube. I have tried this loop while testing on my Thunderclap and I looped it quite a bit. So it got quite gummy and I thought that this loop wasn't that good. But then after breaking it in, I realized that it had great potential and this cube is right now my main. So I can say that the results were pretty amazing. Now this cube feels really soft and controllable. So I really like its feel now. Compared to earlier, I didn't like it that much. So now we'll get to the next loop, which is the Cublelo Velocity loop. As the name suggests, Cublelo Velocity loop is made to make your cubes faster. So let's try it on a cube which is already pretty fast, the Gans 357. It's the fastest cube I own, so I'll try it on this one only. I'm putting it in through the gaps. So first turns after looping. Oh shit, it's gotten really fast. I can't even control it now. So if you're looking for a fast cube, you should definitely try this loop. Oh wow, so it's made the cube like really fast. Never mind. That was the feel before breaking in. Now after breaking in, I used it on a Guanlong. Guanlongs are pretty slow, but as you can see, this has gotten really fast. It can do U2s with a single flick. And what else should I tell you? It's really amazing. It's a really amazing loop, and I guess you can use it as a substitute for Maru even, because Maru doesn't last for long and this cube doesn't require much of breaking in. So I guess it is a good bet, and it is also pretty cheap. So yeah, I recommend this loop. This is the Cublelo Nucleus loop, and it is the thickest loop we have available on our store. So as the name suggests, it is a thick loop, nucleus, and thus it is usually used on the core. But I am a Lubix fan, and I really like using Lubix on pieces because it makes the cube really good. So I'll put this lube on the pieces of my Tanglong and let's see how it goes out. By the way, I haven't tried putting it on the pieces, like I haven't tried the nucleus on pieces. So let's see how it goes. I've tried it on the core and the results were pretty amazing, but on the pieces, best of luck Tanglong. I think I need to put more. Okay, the gumminess has started to kick in. Like I can start feel the cube slowing down now. But I'm really liking this feel. It's really controllable and I like controllable cubes. So I'd say if you like my lubing technique, which you won't because it makes the cube pretty slow, but after breaking in it gets pretty good. So yeah, being a Lubix fan, I can say that it is pretty good and comparable to Lubix, which is really expensive, and it is not as expensive as Lubix. So it is a good alternative you can buy for lubing the pieces and the core. I think the best combination to lube your cubes would be using the Cubelelo nucleus lube on the core and maybe using the Cubelelo velocity or a classic lube on the pieces. It will make your cube fast and controllable, which is usually what people like. So that's all I would like to say. We worked really hard on getting these lubes out. See, I'll show you the prototypes which were sent to me for testing, and after rigorous testing and trial and error we were able to come out with these lubes. So here are the samples I got for testing, and as you can see the weights are written. So I really recommend you to try these lubes. I'll post the link in the description. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Goodbye.